Welcome back to our series on the compensation plan. I'm Aaron Palmer, Director of Central Europe for Rain International. In the next few minutes, I'd like to walk you through our starter packs. I'll be explaining the differences between each one, which one you should choose, and why it's professional to start out your business with them. You need to purchase one of our starter packs to become a Rain partner. These packs come with products, an IT package for your web shop and back office, and something that we call business centers. Now let's talk about these in more detail so that you have a better understanding of which pack you want to choose to start with. Our smallest pack is the basic pack, which contains one box of sole. For example, in Greece, this costs €152.59. Breaking it down, the gross price of a box of sole alone is €83, and the technical support and the business centers will cost around €69.59. Of all the packs, this is the only one where you must pay separately for tech support. With the other packs, the Builder Balance, the Builder Fit, and the Builder Focus, the cost for all these benefits is consolidated into one discounted fee, as opposed to a more expensive purchase of each element separately. For example, 2 boxes of sole, 1 core, and 1 bend in Greece would cost €316.48. But with the Builder's Balance pack, you can get them for as little as €270.31. Our customers often choose this pack when they need these 4 specific boxes of product. All the packs, as you can see, come with a certain amount of business centers, which shows you how many business centers you personally have in your binary tree. By having one business center, you can earn a maximum of $10,020 per week as a commission. However, that number can be up to 3 times higher, $30,060, if instead of placing partners in your first and second position, you place your own business centers. Setting up your business this way treats you like you registered 3 times rather than just once. It's worth owning 3 business centers in the long run, but if you signed up with a pack that only has 1 business center, you can still upgrade with an upgrade kit within 60 days of your initial registration. The upgrade kit not only lets you register more business centers, but also contains 200 CV, 3 sole, 3 core, and 2 bend. If it's been 60 days or longer since your registration, then you will need to buy a new starter pack that already has 3 business centers. Each pack has an assigned CV and QV value. The CV value of a Builder's Balance pack is 100 points, which gets added to the binary tree, while the QV value is only important when qualifying for higher ranks and when team commission is being calculated. For example, to reach the Platinum Elite rank, you need to have 10,000 points. 150 points would get added if you had a Builder's Balance pack. You also received additional discounts when choosing one of the bigger packs. If you bought a Pro Kit, for example, you received 50% extra team commission for 3 months. With the Elite and Super Elite kits, this amount doubles. Choosing an Elite kit means double commission for an extra 3 months, while with the Super Elite, that means double commission for an extra 6 months. It's important to make sure you choose a pack that will help you plan your business dealings according to both the network you're aiming to build and the benefits you want to personally receive. Think about it this way. It's likely that there will be people in your circle who need product right away. In this case, a Super Elite kit would give you enough stock to serve these needs, while also receiving double commission for 6 months. In summary, each kit comes with different benefits, perfectly suited for different goals. Even though commissions is paid from the very first pack onward, the basic pack, it's still worth it to consider starting with any of the bigger packs, especially when you take duplication into account, which is one of the foundations of network marketing. The kit you choose when signing up matters because the people that join your business will naturally look to you, their sponsor, as an example. If you choose a larger kit, then you will find that those who join your business are more likely to pick a larger kit as well. Whereas if you register with a smaller one, they would typically register with a smaller one too, because they will ask you how you started out and why. Now that you know about each of the starter packs, it's time to register. I encourage you to choose the pack that best empowers your business goals and hope you'll enjoy its benefits. We wish you the best in building your business.